Daddy, I got 3 lakh bonus. Which stocks to invest in?
Why don't you invest in these banking stocks or these electric vehicle stocks that are there?
Oh yes, the world is moving towards green technology and the RBI keeps increasing the interest rates. I'll just invest all this money into car companies.
Hey, Gooban Magne, EV is not just about cars. You have chemical companies making batteries, you have power companies giving charging stations, and most importantly, you have software companies that make the car smart.
This is starting to sound like theme-based investing.
Pah, at least something you're learning in school.
But how to pick these stocks?
Very simple. For that, you have to calculate the forward PE, EV EBITDA ratio, production volume of the company, and also the exports of the company. Easy stuff.
Dad, I'm a mechanical engineer. I didn't understand jack shit. But can you please teach all of this step by step in my upcoming masterclass on 19th March at 6 p.m.?
How can I say no to you, Baba? So you guys make sure that you attend this one-of-a-kind masterclass.
And I'll be covering end-to-end personal finance planning, which includes early retirement planning, tax planning, insurance planning, and a lot more.
And I will share some important hacks for stock picking that any layman can follow.
So what are you still waiting for? The link is in my bio. And I'll see you live this Sunday. Even Daddy.